In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your chart of accounts effectively within our accounting software. Whether you're setting up a new account or adjusting an existing one, I'll walk you through each step. It's crucial to have a clear, organized chart of accounts as it forms the backbone of your financial reporting and helps streamline your accounting processes. Let's dive in by learning how to create a new account. Begin by navigating to the Accountant section, which you'll find on the left sidebar of your screen. Once there, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are stored and where you'll be doing most of your setup work. Now, to add a new account, look for the option marked Plus New Account. Go ahead and click that. When you're creating a new account, you'll have to fill in a few important details to ensure it's set up correctly. First, you'll select the account type. This could be anything from income and expenses to assets and liabilities, depending on what kind of account you're creating. Next, you'll need to provide an account name. Make sure it's descriptive enough so you can easily identify it later. You'll also assign an account code, which is optional depending on how detailed your organizational needs are, but it can be helpful for quicker reference. Optionally, you might want to add a description for further clarity on what the account is used for. Additionally, there's an option to check Add to Watch List, which is handy if you want to monitor the account more closely. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, simply click Save to finalize the creation of your new account. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new account to your chart. Now let's move on to configuring an existing account. Again, you'll start by navigating to Accountant and then select Chart of Accounts to bring up the list of all your current accounts. Find the account you're looking to configure. This can be done by either clicking the gear icon next to the account or simply clicking the account name itself. You'll have several options to choose from once you're in. If you need to make changes to the account details, select Edit. Click the Edit icon or button, make the necessary changes, and remember to click Save to keep those changes. If you find that an account is no longer in use, but you don't want to delete it entirely, you can mark it as inactive. Do this by clicking the More icon next to the Edit icon and selecting Mark as inactive. This is a useful feature as it keeps your chart tidy without permanently removing historical records. And if you do decide that an account is no longer needed, you have the option to delete it. Click the More icon and choose Delete. However, keep in mind that you cannot delete default or system-defined accounts, as they are crucial for the structure of the software. With these simple steps, you can manage your chart of accounts efficiently, ensuring your finance records remain organized and up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!